Welcome to the 800 kilowatt solar demonstration project in Chad, Africa. Tanfon provides you with a one-stop solar solution. In this sunny land, Chinese engineers worked hand in hand with our African team to conduct on-site surveys, precisely planning the solar panel angles and wiring layout. We completed the complete design in just 7 days. Each system undergoes 30 days of precision production and undergoes 100 extreme tests based on simulated African environments to ensure reliability and durability. Upon arrival, a professional team provided on-site installation guidance, optimizing processes and facilitating efficient operation, enabling rapid commissioning and significantly improving service efficiency. After 15 days of intensive and orderly installation and commissioning, his 800 kilowatt solar system is now operational, providing stable and continuous power to the entire village. This is a benchmark project for Tanfon in Africa. We look forward to your visit, and discussion of engineers is always at your service.